Hello, everyone. My name is Marlon Herrera Gamero, a software development technologist. Today, I will talk about the basic stages of companies' proposals. The people in working and youth organizational well-being, nutrition, and physical activity are connected to productivity and quality of life. In any company, the basic stages include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These proposals are supervised by the people good work as team. It is specific role and responsibilities. Organizational well-being means credits condition where employees feel safe, motivated, and jealous. This involves not only a self-physical environment but also emotional support, good communication, and positive work climate. Nutrition plays a key role in productivity. A balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats goods the body needs energy to working efficiently. In my academic and professional life, I have noticed that when it's eat well, my concentration, creativity, and energy improve. On the other hand, poor nutrition of leads the fatigue of low performance. Physical activity is essential for both mental and physical health. Sport like running, swimming, or even walk reduce stress, improve mood, and increase focus in mind. The routine doing exercise helps me solve problems faster and stay motivated. To complete my tasks, a company that promotes exercise to break its gym facilities or team sport improves productivity and team spirit. In conclusion, the base proposes of company depending on working and good organization, but productivity also relies on the health and well-being of its people. Nutrition, exercise, and mental health are arsenal to maintain high performances and a positive work environment. Thank you for listening.